Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous.
Maczka. Mama. Maryś. Mama. Masi. Eze. Mary. Emma. Maśka. O! Modlina. Mama. Łukasz. Anne.
Evet, her dilde farklı söylense de hissettirdiği duygu bize hep aynı. Şimdi
çanta mı koyayım? Bir çanta mı koyayım? Bir çanta koyayım. Hadi sen söyle.
Who is that?
That's me.
Is that you? Picture 1, 2, 3, dam na. Uwi na kami. Come!
Ben de şey yapacağım ya. Yemek yiyeceğim, bana odada yapacağım.
Damla, no, don't run in the stairs, Damla. No, do not run. Dapat do not. Let's go. Get your... Come. Get your coat. Where's your coat? Let's go. Tapos na yung program nila sa school, Mother's Day program. Ngayon, uwi na kami. Hindi ko na muna tinawagan si Murat. Lakad-lakad lang muna kami ni Dam na pauwi. Pero malayo-layo din yun eh. Ayan. Tapos daan muna kami sa park. Gusto ni Dam lang maglaro sa park eh.
I'm doing backwards.
Oh, yes. You're walking backwards. Why are you doing that? You might strip there.
And one is like this.
No, be careful, be careful. There's a lot of cat poops here. Kasi dito sa daan na to, sobrang dami talaga.
You can just say watch out.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay. Dito maganda dito guys kasi yung mga pusa ginagawan talaga nila ng bahay tapos binibigyan ng pagkain. Ayan no, ginawa nila ng bahay. Tapos may pagkain, tubig. Ayun pa sa loob, mayroon pa.
Trash.
Yeah, they are not choosing that.
Mama, the girl is following us.
This is her way also. Do you see yourself?
I see.
You're so pretty.
Mother's pipe.
That's park, but inside the city. We cannot go in. We cannot go there. It's closed.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
It's fine because we now we are close now to the park that you want. Okay. You need to exercise how to have a big path.
No, I don't want.
No,
I don't want to have a big one, but it's fun.
it's fine. You are very
I
sexy.
will play and I will say I will say to you to how to move a big pot.
Okay. But I want a big bag. Do you know that?
Why everyone we do like this?
Ay, excuse me. Because I don't have a big bat.
But everyone we do this.
No, it's fine. I like that.
Do you want the giant pot?
I want not a giant bat, but it's normal. Hold my hand, Daddy. Come. Oh. So, ayan guys. Nakalito na ako dito.
Lost?
We are not lost. You don't remember this? Arinso and you keep running here? Come. Hold my hand. Yes, here. This is Arinso's house. You forget that? Okay.
Let's go to Ayanso's house.
No.
Why?
Because
Ayanso's is still in the school.
maybe she's in the school.
Let's make ding dong.
No, not Ding Dong Damla. Maybe her dad is still. Maybe her dad is in the house. So it's Ayip. Careful. There's a car.
Mama.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Ayan na. So,
There's
ayan.
no park. Why are we?
No, here. There's a park here. I know. Nahanap ko sa yung park. Dito na kami sa park ngayon. Inaantay ko lang si Mura. Tinawagan ko na siya. Sabi ko nandito kami sa park. Malapit sa shop. So, inaantay namin siya. Damla. Okay, you say hi to everyone.
Hi.
Damla Jum. Look at here. Look here. Wow. You're a fairy there. Hold on tight. You look like a fairy. You know what is fairy, right? Yes. Yes. Ako din upo-upo dito. Tapos ito yung ginawa nilang gift sa school. Prepare nila para sa Mother's Day nga.